This here is your portable suction machine. The reason it is called a portable suction machine because it does come with a carry case in order for you to carry your suction machine. It is battery operated. On a fully charged battery, you will have approximately 120 minutes of operating time. When your battery is discharged, depending on discharge, it may take anywhere up to 4 hours to completely fully recharge your battery. It does come with a charger in order to charge the battery with a power cord. Your portable suction machine features are a off and on switch located in the center of your portable suction machine. To the side of your off and on switch, you will have your vacuum pressure gauge, which will display the amount of vacuum pressure that is preset by the physician or healthcare. Directly underneath your off and on switch, you will have an amber light. If during the course of use at any time the amber light were to be illuminated, that would signal that you do have a low battery. When the light has been turned on, you will approximately have 30 minutes of battery life operation left. At that time, it is important to finish your suction procedure or move over to somewhere or a location where you may be able to plug in your power cord to a grounded electrical outlet for proper and safe function, as well as plug in your charger and charge the battery. This port directly located on the other side of your power button is the port on where you would connect the charger while charging your portable suction machine. Plugs directly into here. Located at the top of your portable suction machine is your vacuum selector knob. When we turn our machine around, you do have the bracket which will hold your suction canister. Your suction canister is a 800 cc canister. Just like all other suction machines, in order for proper suction use, you would want to inspect your suction canister for any leaks or any cracks which may cause a leak. Always inspect to make sure your canister lid is fully secured and sealed. Any open ports which will not be connected to a patient's tubing or to the tubing coming from your hydrophobic filter should be capped off. Once your canister has been inspected, sealed, and all open ports capped, you may place into the bracket retainer for your suction canister lid. This here is your hydrophobic filter, which is the same as the hydrophobic filter for your intermittent suction machine or your stationary tabletop suction machine. However, this hydrophobic filter is threaded into place, whereas the other two have a tubing on one side as well as a tubing on the other side. To remove and replace your hydrophobic filter when necessary, simply turn counterclockwise to loosen. If you can see on the back side, you do have threads located on the opposite end of your hydrophobic filter. The threaded side is the side that should always be placed into the rear of your portable suction machine. To replace after removing, simply take the threaded side and turn clockwise until it is completely seated and secured in place. No need to over tighten, just twist until it stops and it locks into place. Once you have checked your hydrophobic filter or replaced if necessary, then the tubing extending from your hydrophobic filter would connect to the port directly on the center of your suction machine canister. The stationary suction machine, as well as this portable suction machine, are continuous suction only, which means when powered on and activated to perform a suction procedure for any patient, it will continuously suction until the healthcare professional either stops the suction procedure or powers your suction machine off. The knob here to adjust your vacuum pressure has the same properties, where it would be to the left or counterclockwise to decrease suction pressure, to the right or clockwise to increase suction pressure. If there are any open ports on your suction canister, you would not show any pressure changes on your vacuum gauge. In order to check what pressure has been preset, you would want to cover any open ports on your canister lid with your finger, or if your tubing is connected, kink your tubing. As you can see, our amber light has powered on, signaling that there is a low battery with approximately 30 minutes of operation left. At that time, we will stop suction for the meantime, power off. We would want to get our charger and power cord assembled. Plug the charger into the charging port. And then plug your power cord into the charger, and then the other side to your grounded electrical outlet for proper and safe function. So as you can see, our charger has been powered on, and it does have two lights. The green light signifies that there is power active to the charger, and the amber light signals that it is charging your portable suction machine. Your portable suction machine may be used on battery operation or as well while it is charging. So if you do have a suction procedure that needs to be performed and you did have a low battery, it is okay to plug your charger and charge and still perform your suction procedure while charging. So if you see here, we will cover our port on our portable suction machine canister in order to display the pressure that the control adjust knob has been preset to. If we wanted to make any changes, simply turn to the left to decrease or turn to the right to increase. If at any time during the course of use of your portable suction machine, if you did not experience any suction pressure at the tubing or with the gauge, you would want to inspect your canister lid for all connections. for any cracks. Any open ports should be sealed. If there's evidence of a crack in the canister, please contact Advocare Systems in order to have your suction canister switched out. If there's evidence of an open port, please cap that open port as to seal and complete the seal of your suction canister. If you experience no power when trying to activate your on and off switch on your portable suction machine, always check your power supply. If on battery operation, make sure your battery does have adequate charge. If you're unsure of battery life, simply charge the portable suction machine prior to use. Once again, a battery for your portable suction machine fully charged will have approximately 120 minutes of operation and may take up to 4 hours to fully charge depending on discharge of the battery. The accessories used with your suction portable machine are the same accessories used that you will use with your stationary suction machine. You do have your yank hour with bulb tip and your 72-inch tubing, which is universal. And then you do have your different sized catheters, 10 FR, 14 FR, and 16 FR. All of your suction machine soft goods are single patient use only. They are not to be used between patients. If at any times you do not have enough supplies to complete your suction procedure, simply contact Advocare Systems to have more suction tubing, catheters, or yank hours delivered for your patient. If traveling with your portable suction machine, it is recommended to power up and charge your portable suction machine up to 4 hours to ensure that you will have a fully charged battery when you do take your trip. In order to transport your portable suction machine safely, you will have your carry case. Your carry case does have an adjustable strap, can adjust for length, and then it does have a Velcro cover. Simply undo the Velcro cover. After charge, unplug your portable suction machine. Your suction portable machine bag or carry case will have two sides, a shorter side and then a larger side. The smaller side will be placed for your suction machine, and the larger side is where your canister will be placed. So we will take this in from the grab handle located at the top of your portable suction machine and simply place into our suction machine carry case. There is a port located at the front of your carry case, so you may position your canister with the port that connects to your yank hour or your suction tubing directly out the front of the open window. At that time, the lid can conceal your suction machine if carried for transport, as well as open if you're going to use for your patient. Your yank hour with tubing will be connected to the front of your canister as previously noted, and then you will finish the rest of your connection to your yank hour or to your catheter, depending on which accessory will be needed to finish your suction procedure. You do have pockets located on the sides and the rear of your suction machine carry case, portable. These pockets can be used to store your charger as well as power cord, and help to carry any suction accessories such as tubing, catheters, or anything of the sort. So simply place your charger on one side, you may turn the bag around, simply wrap your power cord for the other side, and then you do have a rear pocket where you may place your tubing, your catheters, or your yank hour if needed. And that is your portable continuous suction machine.